love Hakka
and I Hakka
We love Hakka
现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey everyone, it's time for another round of Hakka music on Icrt. I am Joseph Lin. 今天要介绍的客家歌曲来自于三狗大后生乐团的《童年》或童年。这个童年是什么意思呢？童有童话的意思，也有我们小时候儿时回忆的童年哦。我们现在就来一起欣赏。
你个小脸不像爱面前，你个把你能在我一边，你个友情不能爱心甜，你个知心不爱了情也不变。孙子该童年，是猕猴看大面。孙子该童年，是童话该平阳。写吧该童年，童话不呀不呀不天边。写吧该童年，是天美该誓言。
So here's a very easygoing song by 三狗大后生乐团. Their band name 后生 actually means young, and this song is about that too. It's called 童年. Now, 童 can have a couple of meanings. One, it means the symbolic flower of the Hakka culture that you probably heard of, called the tongue blossom, but it can also mean your childhood. And they hope that through this song that it will bring back some of those warm memories of wonderful friendship during childhood, and perhaps momentarily forget about the cold reality that you're in. So why don't we get back into the rhythm of this great band 三狗大后生乐团 and their single 童年。
孙子该童年，是猕猴该大面。孙子该童年，是童话该平阳。写吧该童年，童话不呀不呀不天边。写吧该童年，是天美该誓言。
这首童年来自于三狗大后生乐团哦，那当然在描述童年的一些回忆，但很有趣的是，这个乐团本身的名字后生，也就是年轻的意思哦。那是不是刚刚呢听了这首歌，跟我一样呢，想到一些儿时的情谊，暂时呢让人家忘记现实的纷扰呢 ？All right, we're gonna be bringing more Hakka music in the future for sure. Be sure to tune in, and that does it for today's Hakka song. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.